Hello, I'm here in the tourist spots here in Antipolo City, minutes away from the church, Antipolo Cathedral. We just pay 60 pesos from the main city going here. See the Hinulugang Taktak. It's a tourist spot here in Antipolo and it's near the city proper. So you can try that one. And here also. And my friends changed already because the dress is not allowed. The dress is not allowed going here. We will try spider web. Spider web. Naputol yung video ko kasi nag-text ako sa'yo. Sabi ko sa naman, nagpunta ako dun sa mga toilet. Sabi ko, saan yung bis?
Pababa kasi ako, tapos pagbaba ko, nakita ko to.
So, there's so many people here because today is Sunday. Oh, going to Singapore. I can see the airplane. There are so many people here because today is Sunday, it's rest day, and then it's also family bonding time. So we will try canopy walk later. It's very nice view. I'm living here in Antipolo for more than 25 years, but this is my first time here in Hinulugang Taktak. So it's already developed. It's very nice, relaxing, and then you can go there in the Virgin Mary also to pray. There's so many picnic cottage. Then you can eat with your family. So my friend's doing TikTok already. She's also wearing red. You cannot do this. You have penalty. See? There is a song about this river, these falls. It's very nice. And then the weather here is cooling. There's many trees, big trees. Oh, I cannot give you. You see, very nice. There's also swimming pool. Canopy walk first. Saan ba yung papunta? Yung hagdan. Punta tayo dun muna kay Mama Mary, tapos balik. Tapos canopy walk tayo. Picture muna tayo.
Doon na.
Okay guys, we're done taking photo in front of this very nice place here in Antipolo City, Rizal, Philippines. You see, you want to try that? Oh, rock climbing. Oh. Saan? Oh, we will go to Blessed Sacrament on the other side. Today is Sunday guys, so I decided to go with my friends because sooner we'll go again overseas. It's bonding time from Singapore to the Philippines. Oh, from Singapore to the Philippines. If you have family, you can come here and enjoy in the picnic cottage for free. There's entrance. By the way, there's entrance. Do we pay this? No, there's no entrance. Excuse me. We just paid 60 pesos for fare from Antipolo City. There's so many tricycles, so you can ride, and you can just pay 60 pesos from there going here. Maybe less than 10 minutes. There's no traffic. This is the nearest tourist spots here in Antipolo City. We will go up and try spider web there in the other side. So that side, there's a swimming pool. So I'll go back. This is not very crowded place. Even though it's Sunday. Because people usually go to the mall. Oh, 4 o'clock. Let's go. We're so excited to try spider web hooking. That is the pool. This place is Hinulugang Taktak Pagsangan Falls. Eh, no. Hinulugang Taktak Antipolo City. Oh, let's take photo here in the two hearts. Oh, my friend. That is the pool. I'll show you the swimming pool. Eh, pwede ka rin mag-picture doon, no? That's sa arc. Hinulugang Taktak. That one, Hinulugang Taktak. Oh. This is a pool for children. If you want to go swimming, that one. Go swimming here. Hinulugang Taktak. Hinulugang Taktak Antipolo. Tayo na sa Antipolo. Oh, this is the pool here in Hinulugang Taktak. It's a minutes away from Antipolo City. You can ride on a tricycle and then you can pay 60 pesos for 2 people. It depends maybe. But we just we paid 60 pesos going here from the church. Where they enjoy. There's a rope so that you will not get drowned when you don't know how to swim like me. It's very cooling and seems like it will rain. I don't know if it will rain. Dito tayo akyat? Picture tayo? Okay. Okay guys, we will try spider web climbing. Like that. Because my friends changed already, dress not allowed. So we are ready. We are ready. There's heart there, heart.
Hanggang 4 lang doon, please.
Anong oras na ba? 15:06. Parang wala na may, parang madalang yung umaakyat. We'll go up ha. Parang hinihingal ako ha. We'll go up. Go up, up, up. Up, up, up. I'm tired. I'm just walking for a long time already. I haven't walked this far since I came back.
Pero nakapunta ka dito na.
Ayan, mataas kasi yan. You see it's very high. I feel tired.
Wala naman yung tindahan.
Better we just wear rubber shoes. Dita. How the name of the tree? It's cooling here, but I'm perspiring because I climb. Oh? Eh, yung amin, black color. Are you stray cat? Why are you here? Oh my. You're looking for food? We'll fall in line. Oh, maybe closed already. Closed na? Closed na yung spider web. Closed na sila. Balit na yung friend ko kasi nakadress. Wala na. Hindi na pala pwede. Ha?